This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Nice 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home with pool. This home is move-in ready. Great split floor plan with high ceilings and indoor laundry. The kitchen offers plenty of cabinet space, a pantry, and a breakfast room. Sliding glass doors open to the large screened pool lanai. Plantation Bay is a great neighborhood close to I-75, US 41 and the Ellenton Prime Outlet Mall. Pets are welcome with additional fee and addendum. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.